do 2 of them. So I am going to apply the no wipe top coat. With this pigment, you want to make sure you do 2 coat of the colors and no wipe top coat. Cure for 60 seconds. You make sure the surface is dry. You don't want any tacky layer because the pigment is going to stick in the tacky layer. So here, this one. Also do another one. It's gonna be interesting today because we want to play with the pigments. Here for 60 seconds as well. This one done already. So I am gonna mix this one up. Just dilute my gels a little bit. Thinner. I think just a little bit more. I did it on this side. You can see that how I make it a little bit thinner. Just on this side. Do you want to get able to? I love this how it's just gel painting. Super duper. You can also use the gel painting is thinner densities from this white gel painting in the bottle. So let's play with these nails. I have this nail actually top coat already. Oh no, I need the top coat one. Sorry. So make sure if you want to draw and then rub the pigments on, make sure you put the top coat on, or else it's gonna really stick on our surface. And here you go. I have this twin tip brush, but I am going to using just this right here, the dot tool, and just basically just dip it in. Kind of recreate this one of my clients' nails that she really loved it. Using between these two. Create the clouds and the star right here. You can do randomly, okay? It doesn't have to be in certain perfect way. You can see the clouds, it's just like really random. Hi Novi, how are you? Those are longer nails. At first you look at like, oh, it's so boring, it's nothing like interesting in it. Just wait until the end. You're gonna see how simple, easy we can all achieve together. There you go. I think it's good. Hey Chantella, so good to see you, love. How are you? Happy Thursday. So I'm gonna do some before I'm gonna do some dot, I am going to using my twin tip brush. Load your brush with, saturate your brush with gel painting, and then just draw. Hey Debbie, hi Sarisa. Its lighting is good today. So simple. You like have a 4-point star. You just need to do like just make a cross like that. It's really simple, everyone's. I promise. And just make it the curve on the side. You can do another ones if you want to. Smaller. Is that the second or the first? Is Canadians Independence Day? Is that right, Debbie? Just a little bit curved in that. I'm drawing it really far away from me, so it's really weird. Maybe better now. All right. Great. Using my picker. Crystal pickers on the other end. Chantella, I'm using gel painting. It has really pure like white and it's really pigmented because I want to grip my like pigments better. Okay. Great. So I am going to cure this for just 15 seconds, okay? This is similar to the look that I got to create like, I think it was last year in summertime, so a lot of people love that, and I will do it again for all of you. Just 15 seconds on that one, and I am going to do this too. So either we're gonna go with this theme, red and blue, or we can do a pink and purple. So let's see red and blue how it turned out, because we still have a couple more days for us before it's July 4th. So I just want to share so much of the fun arts if possible until we move on to a lot of others. Maybe we should do, should we do a... Hey Mika. All right, so you can do like a ombre half and half, or you can do is randomly. Like you can do it in like really, you know, like, let me try that and see how it turned out. We can do it half. You can do it diagonals, like kind of this. Or maybe we do all this half. Then do half of it. and then half is gonna be in blue, you know. Remember this, Mika? I went live earlier, but I saw Sarah went live, so I don't want to miss her live video. So she did. So 15 seconds will help grab the colors of pigment so much better. All right, so I'm gonna save that half for the blue. Just a little bit. Little go a long way. I'm gonna put it on the sides and kind of dust this, you know, like off. Make a little bit to make it look ombre. Great, great. Can I get my unicorn brush? I am gonna using this, my Lawyer unicorns. I have it for almost 3 years. So I'm gonna dust this off. I'm not gonna do it right here because it's gonna contaminate here. But this is the one of the kind that I find that it's not stain anything at all. So I can do it right here so you can all see it. How about that? It just does right off without stained anything. Great. So if you like it, or you want to put more like a crystal, you also can do it and like dab some crystal on, or you can leave it alone like that. Should I put some crystal? Look, it does right up. And all you need to do is put the top coat on. I should leave this one alone, and I will draw another ones for you. No white top coat. Coat that. So if you want crystal, you're gonna do condensed glue gel and no wipe top coat on the top of unclear condensed glue gels, and then you place crystal on the top. All right. Clear for 60 seconds on this one.
And you're gonna do a different nail with crystal later?
Hi Sarah, how are you, love? It was wonderful live tutorial earlier. We get